Prestige 5 liters svachh nakshatra plus induction base inner lid hard anodized pressure handy black deep lid anti-bulge base sturdy handles 13% off brand Prestige capacity 5 liters material aluminium color black finish type metallic product dimensions 21D x 26W x 17H centimeters materia type hard anodized base type gas and induction compatible base capacity 5L lid type inner lid base thickness in 3 mm, weight, 1.57 kilograms, color black, warranty, 5 years India's first no-mess pressure cooker bring home a handy that helps you keep the kitchen clean and safe. The Nakshatra Plus hard anodized svachh pressure handy is designed to last longer and comes with a unique lid that contains any spillage that might occur during the course of cooking and prevents the messy liquid from dripping down. Not only is it a gas and induction compatible but comes with added safety features that makes it one of the most reliable handy for your kitchen package contents. 1 unit of 2-liter hard anodized aluminium svachh pressure handy.